But it does have a built-in microphone and it's decent. It's just the audio is not as good as using like an Me-1, you know, Nikon microphone. Then you get very good audio. Scenery is just amazing today. Oh yeah. And the main advantage of using a gimbal is it's a lot less shaky than just holding it in your hand. And this thing holds my microphone, and I wouldn't be able to do that without a gimbal, because unfortunately, you know, there's no place to put a microphone. I mean, you can plug the microphone in, but there's no place to put it without a gimbal. You already need it. But I love this camera, and with this, I'm using a Scorpion gimbal. You can get really great footage. And this thing has a really nice wide range here. I like how the light hits the camera like that. Really nice. Really nice viewfinder too. So this is the Me-1 microphone. It's picking up the neighbor's dog over there. Let's see the neighbor's dog. There he is. He's the star of the show. How's it going? Nice dog. So yeah, you get really good sound with this. Really good video. Pretty impressed.